Good morning, class. I hope you've all had a great weekend. So, today for mathematics, we're going to be learning about a mathematical phenomenon. Can anyone tell me what a phenomenon is? Yes, great. A phenomenon is something that is impressive or extraordinary. And these phenomenons can be found in many places around us. The mathematical phenomenon that we are going to look at today can be found in nature. This is called symmetry. So, what is symmetry? Can anyone tell me? Very good. Symmetry is where an object is made up of exactly similar parts facing each other or around an axis. So, what have we done with symmetry so far? Do you all remember? Do you remember we did the paintings where we put a blob of paint on one side of the page and then folded the page in half? You do? What happened when we opened up the page again? Both sides of the paper looked the same, didn't they? This is symmetry. Symmetry is a mathematical phenomenon. Why? Because it can be found in nature, in people, and you can have symmetrical sides to things. For example, a square, which has 4 equal sides. If you fold a square of paper in half and then open it up again, what's going to happen? If I fold this in half and then open it up again, what does it look like down this side? Does it look the same as this side? I think it does. Very good job. So they're kind of a mirror image of each other, aren't they? This is called lateral symmetry because both sides look like a mirror image of each other. So we're going to look at symmetry in nature. There are many things that show us symmetry in nature. What might some of those things be? No, I don't think dirt. Maybe not. Leaves, yes, very good. Bugs, very good. So, all right, I would love us to go out into the playground. We're going to have a look around and see what symmetrical objects or bugs we can find. So, we're going to go do that and then we'll come back. Back from our playground adventure and we have found lots of things, haven't we? Let's have a look at what we found. We have some leaves. We have some flower petals. We found quite a few bugs too, but I think they should probably stay outside, yes. So, if we take one of our leaves from the garden and cut it in half straight down the middle, what do you think will happen? Will they look exactly the same or won't they? Will we have 2 identical halves? I think we will. Now, I think it would be a great idea for us to practice drawing some symmetrical pictures. I have a worksheet for you to draw on, so please write your name at the top of the page once you have come and picked what you would like, and we can get started. We have a butterfly or a beetle to choose from. Now, I've chosen a butterfly and this is my example. So, what do you think in this picture is missing? The other half of the butterfly. I think you're right. And in my example, I've actually drawn the other half of the butterfly, haven't I? Very good. So what I would like you to do is take out your pencils and try to draw the other half of this beautiful butterfly to show us lateral symmetry, okay? So you go off and do that, and then we're going to come back and have a look at what you've done.
I'm going to get a red half to be through. I'm trying as hard as I can, but I don't think I can do it.
You know what? You're doing very well. Nice work.
I don't think I can do it.
Have a go. And this is what you've done. You have done such a good job. I'm so happy. This shows lateral symmetry Y. Can anyone tell me? Right, because if we fold it in half and then open it up, does it show a mirror image of both sides? Can you see? This side looks the same as this side. Very good. Now, next lesson, we're going to look at something else in nature. We're going to look at numbers. So we're going to focus on something called Fibonacci. But that's okay. I'll explain a lot more about that next time. Thank you so much, guys.